Good morning, everybody. Today was a hell of a morning. I woke up super early, wasn't feeling too good, went back to sleep, and now I'm trying to shake it off. And I don't know why I'm saying to you, I'm so sorry to do that. But before we begin, again, do not like this video. I am still wanted for stealing my neighbor's cats. They keep on knocking, and I won't let them in. So pretty much, that was breakfast. I'm still eating, I'm sorry. So 2 scrambled eggs, a couple of Eggos, and some coffee is breakfast. The thing is, I have nothing to eat right now. My fridge is full of leftovers, and that's about it. That's the thing about working in the restaurant industry. A lot of the times, you think you'd eat a lot better, but because you eat at the restaurants or in restaurants and you do a lot of takeout, you don't really have too much at home unless you go shopping all the time, which I haven't been shopping in about a month. So that's why I'm eating weird breakfasts. But one thing that I noticed is that I sometimes, if you don't have any dishes because they're dirty and you haven't washed them, it's okay to eat out of the pan, especially if you're single.
What happened? She was too hot and cool, and you fucked. You didn't believe in yourself. Fuck, dude. You were there and you fucked up.
Let's go. It's got a water filling station out here. $1.50 for 3 liters. $7.75.
One of the things that I watch a lot,
3 gallons.
one of the things that I watch a lot on YouTube is Vanlife. Van City Vanlife in particular is a YouTube channel that I watch. I kind of live through them. I feel homebound because of certain reasons, and sometimes I wish I could just get in a van and go. Maybe one day, but check out this channel that I'm watching.
For real. Like. For real, guys. Look how tiny this little. I think we're gonna hit the road early this morning. Time is
It's 4:32 a.m.
perfect time to hit the road. The scary part about going up all these hills is now we gotta go down them all.
I prefer to do these high, narrow mountain roads first thing in the morning, kind of around sunrise. That way there's a less chance of me running into another vehicle than I would in the middle of the afternoon sometime. Because if you run into a vehicle and I happen to be on the outside of the road, on the cliff side, it's just a little scary.
Ooh. Oh, this glacier water is so beautiful.
If there was another way I can describe my life, it would be peaceful. I am at peace. Nobody bothers me. I can pretty much do what I want to certain limits. I can eat what I want, when I want. If I want, right now, I can take a nap. And nobody would mind, nobody would care because I'm at peace. And when you think about life, to live a life in peace is a life worth living. But in this peace, I feel restraint. I feel like I'm chained up to a degree because I look at Vanlife waterfalls and, adventure, and that's something that I lack. And I start thinking to myself, am I going to be that person in the end who lives a life not lived? That, I think, would be my biggest regret. So I watch these videos as a motivation to inspire me. Maybe one day, somehow, I'll see more of this beautiful world.